Okay, and question number 9. My question is, what is the probability of winning a 419 lottery game where 4 numbers are picked from a range of 19? So the first thing we want to do is we need to get the total number of combinations and then the probability of getting the one ticket out of the total number of combinations. So we're going to do, there's only going to be one ticket that would actually win. And we're going to do 1, which is the winning ticket, out of all the possible combinations. And we know that that would be 19C4. So let's figure out the number of combinations. So 19 factorial minus 19 divided by 19 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. That's the combinations formula. So on the top we would do 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15, and we could stop there. And then we would get 15 on the bottom. That we would stop there. Those would cancel. And then we would do the 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And if you multiply the top and divide it by the bottom, I think the top is going to be 93024 divided by 24. So if you take the top and divide by the bottom, you get 3,876 different combinations there. Okay, so to get the probability, let me clear the slide. We would do 1 out of 3,876. So you would get, the probability would be 0.000 0.000258. So we're going to round to the 5th, I think, place. So 0.00026 is the probability. So let me go back to the screen here, if I can remember how to do that. Okay, there we go. And there is my answer, 0.00026. And that is how you will work the lottery.